Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video my lipstick is this Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek color in the shade Pink Plush, and I think it's perfect. It's a perfect, pink for summers, and I really like it. So in today's video we are going to talk about undergarments, innerwear, panties, whatever you want to call, and it is from this brand Clovia, and I'm going to show you the different types of underwears or panties that you should be wearing under certain clothes. So let's start. The first type are these no panty line underwears. Now this one specially has a laser cut edge, which means that these edges are so thin that you can wear this under any tight clothes, under jeggings, under your tight fitted jeans, and this will not show any panty line. When you're wearing these tight bodycon clothes, you can see the panty lines. I will show you a close-up of everything, but with these underwears you definitely cannot see anything. And the great thing about nude underwear is that a lot of times we mistake and we think that if you're wearing a white dress or a white trouser, you have to wear a white underwear. That is not true. Every time you wear like a white undergarment under your white t-shirt or white trousers, it is more visible. So what happens is when you're wearing something nude, it blends with your skin and nothing will be shown. So Clovia especially has a lot of nude undergarments for your skin tone, which will blend easily with your skin, and I really like these because these are stretchable, and when you wear it under dresses or under these tight jeggings or leggings, nothing will be seen. So this is one of my favorite underwears. Now the second type are these boy shorts. Now I personally think that these are great if you are someone who's into fitness and who likes wearing those tight fitness pants. This is great because one, it will not give you those panty lines because these are almost like a little longer and it kind of covers your thighs. And second, if you're a little on the heavier side, this material here will help your thighs to not rub against each other. So I really like this for that purpose. You can wear this with your leggings or jeggings, especially when you're in the gym and you have to do a lot of workout and a lot of stretches. I think this is perfect because even with this you do not get any panty lines. Though these have these it has these edges, you still cannot see those panty lines because it's not like that. A lot of times people think you need to wear thongs under that, but when you're working out, wearing thongs is very uncomfortable. So I think this is perfect when you are trying to work out, or even if you don't work out, even wearing this just under your jeans or your pants, I think it's a very good option. Now the next one, I think a lot of us are not aware of it, even I was not until a few months back, are period panties. Now what are period panties? So period panties are like regular panties, but they have this leak resistant lining inside. So what happens is when you put your pad, for example you've put your pad, and if it's your second day or you're having like a heavy flow, and even if your pad leaks, even if your pad kind of can't take it anymore and leaks, this will hold it in. So you will not stain your clothes, you will not stain your bed sheets, your seat and all of that, because this has that material that will not let it leak. Even if your pad is leaking, this will not let it leak. It's just comfortable. You already have cramps and you don't want anything to be really tight, and these are quite stretchy but not too tight, and it has a very cute thing written behind saying not today period. So I really like this because this is really safe. Like when there are times when you are maybe like in a wedding or some function and all of that, and you can't really change your pad that regularly, and even during those times if your pad leaks, this kind of panty or these kind of panties will not let it leak, will not let you stain your clothes. So I really love these. So Clovia was really kind enough to provide my viewers with a discount code. So if you use the code CLVMiriamJ10, you will get 10% off your purchase. and I will leave all the links to all the products that I showed in this video in the description box so that you can check it out and it's easier for you. So I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, then please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.